for Muina would you see it? Me, yes, this and this and this is what happened. Me, former President Mahama tossed out with me. Me, that's not to public. And I will if you are Schwarzenegger. Who is your Schwarzenegger? Who now food the one who soon? This year, yeah, the team is certainly made it. My mother didn't train me how to insult people. Now, maybe I have mouth to talk, but to insult, that is not my style. To insult people, that is not my style. But who is your Schwarzenegger? Who is on our no soon? Who is on our no soon? It's in when said the Kasa. I want to play the video for those of you who have forgotten so soon what Efia did to me in 2016. After playing the video, I'll play her current video. After playing the video, I'm going to read some documents of how much money Ghana paid for Enya, how much money I saw HIV program, how much money I was Ghana for Enya, how much money I can also use, and how much money ends up in their pockets. In case you have forgotten,
what's the Age Commission do 800 Ghana a month times 5 years? Yeah, calculation in a way.
Oh, it's one hour calculation.
No, not the price, but my choice HIV price room. And the Age Commission for the true letter brown Sabrabe ambassador Moman.
I'll see HIV price woman. Obi badi no haba for real. Na mudi na ye programs. Na mudi me documentaries. Na mudi je me ajeje mu ami nam basabasa na mi ni bibidi no. Na mi be su afre President Mahama se onji me a. Wo wanu, wo so na wanu su se gota. Enti no wanu a didi ni patem.
The pastor ma faleta ma e so di se me ambassador mi tini be no befa ni.
Omo befa o. Omo sign sa contract no.
Pastor mi tini be no mo frame. That's Ghana Obono. That's Ghana Obono, eh?
When I can and a power coming to my teacher show.
Because that's Ghana Obono this year. Put times in 100, it cannot buy my life. And it cannot give me that protection.
But you signed a contract towards it.
It cannot replace the dignity and everything I've lost because of the program I certified myself to do. That money is no.
And if I try to be a cancer,
I didn't do it. I didn't do it. It's $100 million, bro. That's a two HIV positive.
Well, yeah, there are calls between Efia Schwarzenegger and someone send me both with fear. Now, this is the reason. The way you interview what's in UTV. And as what's in UTV, me, and me, yeah, it did my tempo. Say, and this is what you am 800 cities. Say, and this is what you am 800 cities. Say, me find your program. Me, the meaning bradio. Meaning bradia. Some of them say, in the Ghana is commission for, and ya millions of dollars into no, me 800 become me man, casso mon febi ponka home. Man, casso mon vets can be in home. Now, the old promising is all the mamma, a year day na fe. Who yam who documentaries we ye? Angela Ella das. Angela, a year dying, and I would me ye documentaries. Who yam who adverts, a yam who billboard ni posters we ye no. Me 801 from me, and then also cancel me contract with no reason. Me kwaka ya, if you ask them all the better journey.
No, I'm not sure you can even do it. And if I give you $100 million.
Ebi a million so minjiska.
So it's not about money.
Joyce, maybe I have one problem here. Maybe a problem in 1 year. You saying it is not about money. So I can say enye sika. And yeah, then I'll buy out because say HIV commission no or man test. Now so call because say or man tuaka enti na beka say we ni is no. Let us say call ambassador position on tiase.
And the story one kind of you says I was in one. And
that story I'm Kayo. And let me see who interview. Who are no man said na me dey busa question. Joyce, and story. And then Kwame Nkrumah Tikesiya your interview. Interview no. Oh my etia said the enti abaka say we ni ace no. Actually say Ace commission for you free. position as HIV ambassador. Meboa. Omuwie no ka omudu no me omadwen so omuntua. Enu ti na ba out. Ebe ka se wuni
I didn't talk about my children, right? I hope you're a mother. Have you given birth?
I am a mother of 3, and me assure say we consider ni nyina sana.
Thank God we consider it.
Obi am to and she would team na sign a contract.
Listen, because I thought I would be protected, and that was the agreement.
You thought you'd be protected how?
The fact that
Debbie, okay, say you thought you'd be protected how? A big story. You'll be protected how? I don't
think you are ready to do this interview.
Mom said if you're an wedding. Commission for me ye Juma. Promising me 800 cities, 8 million every month. Me documentaries. And then me posters in me billboard in outside the whole of Ghana. I was a very little girl. And can you mean a neya, me here? Many ya, Akasade Nakamenye. Akasankwasi Juma Nakamenye. Na mini baby da. Na wajibu millions of dollars. Yes, cities so. Me wia documents no. Me wia sika Ghana AIDS Commission for AD. I'm coming to read the document for you to see. Me ba be kind documents no. Na me who say yen penny for no. Me you being free mo. I'm not taking anybody out. And don't be free me catch them say Joyce, be careful. What they are doing, they can kill you. Wow. I would prefer some who since I'm at that prison. Oh, I mean, yeah. I would prefer some me since I'm made that prison for no reason. Just continue to listen to Efia. Who Efia and there one no. Who see who sit then can say and this if only when in a year into no baby did matter. And I mean make a missing karma. Efia sa UTV one who kai 2016. UTV one what na I call here program. It did D matter no. Mami cho na me prince. Na me ba prince. Me ba prince. Na me ko tibia na me wo mu no chese. Eni enyan. Na me pa mahama cho. Na me ko mahama office. Na me call di na mahama office. Na me throw mo letters. Na me pa mo cho. Omo efi mi. Esan say documentary na mo hwehwe so mo di kwa sika no. E wo Global Fund no. O ma documentary na wie. Na me mpekasa obi oni mi bia nim se mi obi a me mpekasa apart from say meji microphone na me gina dom anim na makasa no me kasa wi a me yedin inti me yedin inti na omunim se na mo fi omunim se menyi obi na kan asem say the young shall grow na omunim se menyi ababedum pempen so obi a me kasa ewi ase nyina beti me voice sana nyakopo ye na de sabre no bia ni me sabre no na me nim kasa sabre no na me fere ade nti obi ye made a me ye na me su sa na mada bana mu fin se bia eno anu no but there is change of power because power doesn't last and there is change of power. Now they are holding you accountable for what you did with the AIDS money nti me ye pemi achime nti ye pemi achime no na fi de o se me kasa. Na in some media for many years, you know. Na say na wose me da wose me kasa. Nti sa bronya DC, me nya ni number, ene ne kasai. E pa ni cho, e ka kire ni sa bronya. Sika na wo kasa me di no, me ndi. Nti sa wo pese wo pursue case na, yi me di free mo. Oni me ankasa. Asam o tro ya ni say, omo ami ni omo bo kro mo, me bubo mu di enchire no. E na me ye din. He is not even ready to talk to me. And I make a chum say, you don't joke with politicians. Efia.
I don't think you are ready to do this interview. If you are ready to listen, it is better to sometimes listen than to talk too much. Because you don't know what you are talking about. You don't know what you are talking about.
What's the AIDS Commission say? Protect you. But sister, I said now, I'm not asking me.
You are not asking me questions. You are attacking me.
I am not attacking you. I am asking you a question on behalf of Ghanaians.
You are not dancing an interview. You are attacking me. You are attacking my personality.
I am not attacking your personality. I am a Ghanaian. I say Ghana for the Oka. And I was saying, Musika Kwayetia. Who's the one who protect you? Ghana is commissioner under the Ministry of Health.
You are not Ghana is commission.
I am a Ghanaian. I am a taxpayer. Me tax. President John Dramani Mahama na so on first camera no. A tax no the bebro. And nothing na me want every single right. Say be busa odienti aye doka. Esa se saka no. Yes. A taxpayers sika de tua oka. And so which ever catches when I is Ghana
for Ghana. Also Ghana.
Who baby beyond? Sika Ghana for Dino, and you been a agent to baby.
No.
Sister, I want to confirm your chair, so I comfort. There is no need for this interview. Sika Ghana for Dino, a billion beside you, Baba G. Memoir.
You are not serious.
Sister, I will not serious because HIV they ain't talk. Ya to me bia okoma ba HIV dey ento wadwane kronfo ba
yo o si HIV ento o si HIV ento na me ye kronfo efia me nu wi a me ni efia wi a afi na sika Ghana Ace Commission for edi no me ba be kinkan a kire mo so me ni efia ewi a sika o mu di ye no and me ye video no 3 days ago me share that kote edin na me join reply. Me ye video live video 3 days ago we no because not din na me try reply. Excuse me, sir, Ghanaian journalists are lazy. Pocket journalism. They don't care about the rest of the people in Ghana. They don't care. And I'm going to see Ghana ho obi asam ba na ma fa phone. The money man see en fa phone near friend in interview. Mu ye interview where case close. Some obedi asem nechi. No. Lazy journalists. And what I'm doing, none of them will report it because they are teaching Musika and they will not report it. And some of the things I'm going to do, may kind of brought from into more journalists, even if you don't report it, the message is going to Global Fund directly. If you report this issue or you don't report it, me see Global Fund for they are my friends on Facebook. They are watching me. They are watching me. Into Samopa report the issues. Samopa mamu report it. And now we fear. We did matter because of say you use me a jam, and ne we see I all the same thing to be soon. And ne ni video no crowd. If ya my bought video now we yama 2016. Me be bought dear and then 2020. How many years now? 4 years. Only 4 years so. We hear me sad no. Science now yeah my did matter my mommy soon sir. Na me nyem. And I'm bomb who naked. And I'm doing 2-3 for because say radio station who need my hope you. And I'm saying you will never find peace in your life. Share. Never treat anybody like that. Me too asano. So be an kami on. Me nkani pani da. So be an yambe bonia. Some exnasi di na mabom mitimu po. Some me koyo bi boni. Me kodi di obi atem. Some me di benya fame. Na ni pani nyemeshe. Me obi am ye teaser. Me ronipa. Me teasing grofo sa na mde me busuafo nyina ensi se me start se me kasa ro mo sere obi se me ba be robi. I'm going to tease somebody. Apart from that, I don't hate people. I don't do interviews. I don't come and complain about things they haven't done. And now we fear. We hear me sorry, and now video ni.
2016. Na many say. We didn't see Uncle Gua.
Yo, yati.
And so the campaign, Mamma. And when you turn tiny, the man something about campaign, Mamma, and Kaba Swami World Cup. May say I did not campaign for the NPP. But when they came to power, they employed my blood brother, Juma, Jubilee House. Go and find out. So, if I am hungry, honorable, Mona Mama comedy me, I am one. Medimachi 5 years now, comedy me, movie on. Would that be a.
If you are also comedy, who's the NDC for my comedy? It's my NDC. I know also Mutioka. 4 years ago, we did my term, send me a crown for, and then I put it to you, say you are also a thief. But say sister taxpayers money at the mouth. Me boy. If you One no so say got time to me go to radio so e did you be them just like that and you say Ghana sika you say your taxpayers money the even aka just because you have dirty mouth out with me didn't grow for them and yes sir yes I say one no time with me didn't grow for them and do a tree into my ham and sika dey boa and people now go join you obi ama foko if you obi ama foko say yeah say na ko rent cars no say meaning yakika yes cars now they be na car new car who need office be here if ya the way of packers and sanka wo ejuma papa bi ya nka the whole Ghana ebe hu wo wia wo shira na ko dress o ya no akọ dress wo etwi ni makeup ni tan no ko twi makeup ni wia na oba betina ase me sorry na me ko room ni makeup ya still I'm a nice girl yango po bo me esa so one no tan didi go fat mu ti wo be didi matam poto enne de
problem? Will that be a problem? Will that be a problem? If I'm a hungry celebrity, more NDC for and I'm making me hungry celebrity. Me do what you know. Now me here Juma with despite group of companies. Me here make 10,000 a month. Fuck all of you. You want to bring yourself, eh? You want to bring yourself. You are not enjoying my silence, eh? NDC. Do you want to do it?
If yeah. Despite group of companies na ko ejuma na 80 or 10,000 no e ho na kwot na ho di matem oba pim for me ni baby da and our friend me kronfo because my sacrifice me mama me my Ghana and also you we di she unya baby anye ejuma da unya baby anye ejuma da ube di krofatem sa ko si wiase wi wa no nkrofo be ha me we di o matem me di me say mama me wo me no me hu nsame ma me ni obi ejina ho po eyi nsem anu da me hu nsame ma me jina ho ebo ni nsem eni obi ekunda enti no me ni se de didi ni patem na wo de wo say wo wa no pose wa no gbagaya wa no se gota wa no ayi didi ni patem enti no hu asem ba ye no we nya nto boase am frame it sa unyonko ba me boyfriend san wu ya boyfriend na all pay me ekumi because of me car. No nwe di kan ewu a wa ba beye program esi me meku obi oh and I was in pain if I kola kitu ani papa ewu na me nyonko ba wetimi awa kotra UTV na sa nyama na oye wie no okuse ani one
with me I am quiet. I am respecting people that are talking to me.
Nobody is talking to you.
You understand? A lot of people.
If yeah, nobody is talking to you. Obiani unka shidi obia beka. Say oh ya. Ashiwe. What they hear me no ye dia yo. And people are talking to me. Nobody is talking to you. No reasonable human being will call you. This you. I don't want to insult you. Because I don't want to copy your style. I'm a civilized woman. I won't copy your dirty style.
People, a lot of people with dignity
Nobody have dignity
are speaking to me. And that's why I'm keeping quiet. I said, if I am hungry because of the NDC. Aren't you ashamed? Aren't you?
Crown for bar. Who see maybe pay taxpayers' money? Obi a made me who I for you. Who see I was a thief. Who, because you insulting, the benefit of insult, the Ghanaians should give you Ghanaians taxpayers' money. You understand Ghana is can't farm bro because of one no soon. Now you say they didn't grow for them. Oh boy, sister, mama way.
Ashamed that the 5 years that I spent with you people, I've got nothing to boast of it. Nothing. More check contracts, mama, mama be.
It's now per contract. If you're now per contract. Attempt the audit meaning now yeah because of selfish gains. Now pet be free mahama. Oh sorry my dear. You are a loser. What's the guarantee abroche? You are a loser.
Mocha contract, Emma Mano, Mama be. Me medi mo chino me nya juma na. Don't nobody. And you see, me, I don't even read comments. So I don't care about your insults. What I know is you are insulting yourself and your foolishness. Mo was scam over come up here stadium. On the number of sumo flag bearer. Me say if I am hungry, NDC made me hungry.
Okay.
Shame on you for making me hungry. Shame on you. Say a community no wako NPP. Nanka no offense on. Anka your offense. Send me young was your Juma Muna comedy me. Anka your offense. Ah? And this is the band and the baby one home.
Yo. Say the ayo. I buy the bottage and one of the baby ban. I buy the bottage and the bob man ye. I buy now the ball in 2016 and one that bought 2020. We are teaching me a ban at the ball near the album. So madam, keep quiet. Me new way. What's I'm called the me can be. You are disgusting. It is a now bonya this is a and this is for enemy Achisicadia. All right. Sika a bag Ghana Ace Commission from Simuno. Me babe kind. Me babe kind sika Ghana Ace Commission for Eddie. Africa they be a poor. Me boy. Africa, we are always poor. Che, me ye program wo Ghana Ace Commission. Me know me ye program sir. Me can't show Takwa. I remember one of the days me called Takwa. Takwa for SNE Ace Commission for letter. So omu here me say me mbra program. Upon sika Ghana Ace Commission for nya e nyina no. Omu ni Ghana for wa daje. So we did letter beba. See a Joyce. I may buy a school. Now only a program. How much is fuel? Excuse me. How much is fuel? More than millions of dollars. Now so so Ghana Ace Commission. Almost some money fuel and wouldn't make what I mean Colana Cocasa. Ghana Ace Commission said money fuel. Me call Taquano. Said Takwa held direct and never Kaimia. Ghana Ace Commission for car, and I did me call Takwa. And I'm in Colana Cocasai. Me call one primary school be. Dear a chromophone catcher mini say. In Kola more primary school grass sebi, and with Tom body, or many in Mema Edda Ejisica. And Untino. Name a program. And I'm quite a program. I was Takwa. And a schoolboy never a pejanic that's all question. And I'm the question Ben over, and besides, say, Madam Joyce, say me new bit that, na me one bar, menya ace ana. Or say me new bit that, na me one bar, menya ace ana. Na say, ejuma o hopa. And I'm catching and say, so no bit that no one protect one. So who bo, so one bo, say nipa no ya re now, or the bema. And when I'm catching a teacher for one say, ejuma wata papa. In the same back to Accra. Me name Madam Angela L. Adas ebe kasa. Said ye be ya. Obama ma back takwa ebiu. Me Angela ko kasa no. Do you know the response Angela gave me? I said, Joyce, you cannot go to one place for 2 times. Angela, upon all the monies that Ghana Ace Commission had, you did not have time for people. You see me to me for a program with Takwa for 2 times. What were you doing with the money? The money that Ghana Ace Commission got, I am going to read out some of them. Means me nyasikani ina mekan, but the me wani the member mekan achiremo. It is an abronya DC. SME, former President John Mahama, akwako rented dan, and akwako dan mami wa Germany. Say. Muji sikana mufanye juma. Muji sikana mufanye she. Sikani ya the bar for malaria. Ya the sikani bar for tuberculosis. Ya the sikani bar for HIV. Me call workshop. I learn about HIV. What happens in the body of a person with HIV? What happens when you have AIDS? The symptoms of HIV and AIDS. What can you do to live long if you have HIV? The mission ebeka enina no mo say. Asemba kupa mekaya mekan say enim no. Eye me status and that is what you are interested in. Programs are me here or Ghana no. Programs are me Joyce. Me dey say me here juma, me a workaholic. I don't think about food. Programs are me here, you know. Ni padudu a afreme. Ni padudu even some of the actors and actresses, they meet me and they say, Joyce, it is because of your program I had courage to get tested for HIV. A lot of people told me, had it not been me, they would never get to know of their status. So when you na, no say any bibia. And no tina. Muye me boneno. Not even one HIV advert has been seen on TV. Yes, I want to provide HIV advert too. On where this cano? There is no money anymore. And the Global Fund, if you are watching me, this is me. This is the lady they used and dumped. You saw how hardworking I was. That was why you invited me to Tokyo. But you listened to the AIDS Commission and you cancelled my trip. I cried, but there was nothing I could do. Mami yengo sha bronye this video no. Mi wia na maba be kan sika yedi. Sika Ghana AIDS Commission for edi. Nti so wa na say oh tribal politics. Bi enkreni, bi igbeni, bi hauseni, nti mi de NDC. Bi asantini, mi akani, nti mi de MPP. Nti se NDC ya de bonia, untumi nka. Se MPP ya de bonia, untumi nka. Anything in Africa, we are still at where we are. See, enjoy tribal politics. We are going to remain there forever. Abrofuni des kanamu di beba, but si empeni fuano. The politicians, omumma eco school papa, omumma ko better school. Now what they be out the chena would think of fatemuno. They be you see where you are. You see you are living in that single room. You can't even afford even one cocoa in the morning. Cocoa cry no na pa cocoa ni ko say cry cannot buy. And so sorry no be camp politicians as someone. Now one hand we need. Now I got so MTN 2 CDs now they didn't grow fatter. I go shall bring you DC. As some more kind, you know. And he has every right. He has every right.
When I never know the cabinet here, I didn't hear the Tina Kroma. Obi kita agina yedi bu mine. Obi kita agina yedi projection say in the next 5 years, you know, in the next 1 year, in the next 2 years, in Haina Ghana Mabun Bedru. And Obi so Sarano Passe Pena Opetiwie Ramia. Not Gina, Okitan say, Kwambenson and Mefaswa Ria Ghana for. Kwambenson and Mefaswa Bokron. I know your domama.
Debbie. Obi a wako mampenye de abonye masa woka.
Adina omo ria sika ria ye ka do mama sika ria mo se masa nya ne yire na akose obi akimo o ma ria sika yi
okose wana echi
ai dress dido mensa nya ne yire na akose na ti abaya na ria $3 million e free AIDS Commission mo ma che sika na o che sisi na abaya na kasa nti masa ne sei masa o ma
se ma wokai watwa ma
Makande
watwa me hu krata pii na
me den krata nyina akoma sia difo ditoduto abin seja woni sa baya na Ghana Africana abin seja asem ne baya me kanne ebra me di petition no ekoya na abaya no Germany sire sika no do mama hu
oya appeal
masa ye krono because why no kwa illegal ta wo bi no kokwa jegeto a criminal offense. And I made a petition when no choir back, sika no ne lodge na chedi ye no. Kwana mahama akopɛ dan wo Germany man so onka ho because abaya ne ba obedem edurisa ni braso aba o za abaya ne kasa ane obakasa nipa me ne di sika nie ana do mama apa na kyɛ so onka ho o ma tofie ama ne Germany ho. I'm telling you
le be abanye we unya sure so no asem no what petition please see I
me say do mama tofie ama abaya ne so ba petition na me de call ye fa kuru na yire ayabu Ghana AIDS Commission for akopɛ report woman the report to say abaya no AIDS no ni AIDS nearly AIDS for sika ma no ne lodge na achadie na wasem na me ka wo ma me nkan ana asem ni pie wo Germany na do mama say ma wo che say woni say wakoto fie ama abaya no Germany
abanye
because yo sabaya ne ba no jina de kamu a do mama ni mbegu ase the presidential ambition no entimi mam because wo yira abokro no so yiri bokro no a na ni bra base a ebe da yayi obara contest enti sabi a mentwetwe ntokro na do mama so twia no o twia no mahu
wo ye de hu enura so na wo
calling wa ko fia ma no mu ha
hey
na me katro
wow
wakoto fia ma no mu ha ma abaya no magana bi ba de se di interpol ko fa no
se no so wo ho anya de tini
I don't let them baba Mina me catch a buyer no address Jijo Mensa or Magana Bio because the man I could try to crack to Fiaman or Muyan saw a bar, no more than a cockroach because my wife. I am direct corporate in this case.
I'll not accomplish, Mom. I bring a young boy and some, so you can't dollar performance over here.
And I 800 cities here, NDC, don't be quiet, because I will not go to that prison. NDC, please, I'm on my knees. Don't be quiet. Come and reply, Abroad ABC. Yeah, Jimmy position at the Madame Nadina Bahama. Then Madame. Program Ben out me here. Program look send out me here. Sika, let me tell you the secret. Someone know more per contract in free global fund. No more here beer. Obey me HIV documentaries. I said HIV patients be brave Ghana. HIV patients be brave Ghana. I have some documents here. How many people have HIV in Ghana? Okay, anyhow. Over almost 400,000 people more HIV for Ghana. Then I'm more poor than Libya Kama. More poor than any way in Kase. More poor than Kasa. Sanga 8 patients on Muko Hospital on Musha. I'm from Muko Fedi. I'm for Bia Wayari or Waba Pampers. Sebia all got toilet a good one. I cannot want to break for the book. I'm from Mako Fan. Mamuko be on him Kasa. Muko be on any more thing. Muko be on Jana Kasa. Moving Jessica and I'm Befan. Move a family, yeah. Musimu nini bio. Esante na minim se die kasa. Obi ya madia min kasa ntino. Na ma yedi. Na ma yedi. Na ma yedi. Ebedu baby no. Na ye ambassadors no de bia titifie. Ghana for. Anytime I'm going to Ghana Aid Commission, ni be or TV so about Kasa say ni say won't be home. Some May Joyce. Me say, I'm going to fire as ambassador. I think the letters called Ghana Aid Commission office. Some person me buy your program, sir. Aid Commission phone fee. Depending between for share me number, me am personal number. I'm a friend me. I'm a say Joyce. Your person will buy your school and I bet share your school kolana dear. Yeah, the letters are called Ghana Aid Commission, sir. Mumboy. Who bet me a kasana? Na my friend Aid Commission for. I'm a catch on say program do Kumasi and my program do Haniha. Na me hiaka. I'm a catch him say can you? After receiving the millions, Global Fund, they take the money. You give the money to the African leaders, only to pocket. Global Fund, you give the money for malaria, HIV, tuberculosis. But because you don't know how the system in Africa works, they will write reports. Of course, they can write good English. Omo say they can write better English. You see, at the end of the day, no, they will write reports. They will come and give it to you. So, it is in their pocket. The money ends up in the pockets of the government. They don't use the money. I remember. Those of you who remember Reverend Azuma and the wife and Gifty, now I'm sorry. Now I'm watching radio stations. Now I'm patcho. Some a program. And now make up the Aid Commission boss and they say, I'm dating now more fire ambassador. Now they be a titifie. Busumi some bet 800 cities. Busumi some bet 800 cities. Now some more programs my young Pakasa. Unum answer mommy. Unum answer Angela Mami. Angela catch me say ya demoko TV station some go programmer. The yana TV stations, you know, and demand for sika because almost they pay for the airtime. Anything I joy, here to me TV stations, you know. You have been able to receive the millions, but you cannot go to the TV stations and pay little money for us to do programs. Let me see you. Go to KSM. Go to TV3. Debia minam hosa. A day, me ko chinsa na minya programmer. Near my data. Na my friend Ace Commission for na catch on say, I have gotten program. That was what I was doing. And a Dr. Amenya, Dr. Richard Amenya of Ghana Ace Commission. Now he's no more there. And I offer me. And I catch him say, Joyce, you have done so well. More than we expected. Or see, you've done more than my team. Just say, the Ace Commission was supposed to go and look for program for us to go and talk. But omonko. They don't care about the people. Na me Joyce. They be me nam TV3. Me na Metro TV na me share program. Me share program ni here. Na ma from na me say, oh Joyce, congratulations, why are there? Ni na one kai be papa be am here. It got to a point, you know. I brought for now mama Ghana Commission for Sikani. They were interested in me. They loved the way I was working. That was how come they wrote me a letter, even without Ace Commission. Even without them. I'm telling you something. I am telling you something. Go to the hospitals. Munko Kolebu. Munko Kolebu. Munko Police Hospital. Munko Tema General Hospital. Go there. Go to Kolebu. Let me tell you one thing. Ace Commission for Sikano. There is a portion there. Yeah, they have to say. Say, oh, big in the Buswini Eba Hospital. Nasa yesi ni panenya Ace. Nasa Buswanfono Epuni Pana. I was say Ace Commission for I was Sikebia. Yeah, the best Sankrofono. Sabi said they na udidi. Nkrofo no eye sana. Omotumi ko toilet egu omo ho. Bebre obinya Ace. Ace is different from HIV. Otumi ko toilet go ne ho ekro ye omo pacha. Enti Sankrofo no. Omo nya busuafo bia. Omo abesra omo. Na say omo say oh wenya Ace. Na say omo pusa ni pa na ma hospital no. In the hospital ho no. They have to provide the adult diapers. They have to provide them with their food. Now, so no, hospitals need nisika. I sacrificed my life. I mean, can't say me true. Sende, upon the amount I am still growing, and growing. Let me tell you one secret. I say, Joya Papa no, Uncle Swanya Papa. Na Joya Boneno, Uncle Swanya Bonne. I drive to Kolebu. Me birthday be me to adult diapers from the same 800 cities. Me to adult diapers. I'm the acquired donation. Oh Kolebu. Then I'm called Kolebu. And I next one catch them say Joyce. Before no. Now Ace Commission for Emma Musikebi. Ah say ebusweni be ni nipa beto na say o mesrana. Na Ace Commission for Sikebia e de ma wom a e de hwe Sankrofo no. Nanso Ace Commission for Fasika ni mba bi. You say me kwa ya me nkebi ma wom. Sky that could be different here. Na me drive here all the way to Kolebu. Me busweni bi na hospital ho. Me call Kolebu. Baby a sebi Ace for no wa ya admit you omo yare. E na me call here. You call hospital. Me dey me call me na sisi go me say ma amunim. Me busweni bi eni ha. Now I just want to visit those who are here. The person best wrong keke. Now me go from one word to another. One word to another. One word to another. And that crew be me call here. Now lady be me many boys so no. Me yem shame. Don't pay skeleton. Don't pay pan that one. Only flesh. Banko crown in the pedia. When you're Ace, and we say we in campaign. Nemotion anymore. Who say or your bar and answer or your bema. Ne cook so flat because our former man no phone cabako any ho. It's in the nipple better be who Sani Pano. Who said over describing her. Say or your bar and answer or your bema. Now can you want to keep your Ace Commission for the Sankrofo, but some more And I'm calling a girl in the dog. And I'm busy and said, Mrs. Michiano. I'm so your bad now, your baby, I saw your bad. Wait the same. I saw 23 years. And I'm saying, when I do by hospital, I'm not saying papa. I say, sister, if papa didn't me by hospital, but I won't say me your age, you know, or me slam you. Or boy, I was saying, or you're Muslim. And to me, ye Nana no nyina ye kro ne nimu nyina ye kro ana o se comedy no am bi san tede na obi o se ne kwando benku am so be di benku ana o se ai ana mi suma security men bi so on koto benku bremi ana koto benku ni bremi me di ba en me di mi jane pa ne ho ana mi se benku ni o se on to me ndi like oni ahoden a or the better to be Kunupo Ashen in as a free year, this is my Facebook page, and this is my life. I wear what I want to wear. It's a me dressing in now far. Madam, leave my page and go. I don't care about anybody. And a girl, no, or seen a dear and known to me. Nenu my crow, Ghana farm more shame. Masha gloves so. Na me share gloves. Mumu do say, and I'm to study this year. Echo hospital. What break one goose and even ho. Girl, ask them come akuma chese. On ye bush and even cram and encourage na. Uncle can dry the bemano no. Uncle Bema Ebian what on kakra. But if papa didn't hospital or no be Johnny ho. Obe Johnny ho. And I'm Titi Benkuno. And I'm the man. Metia, I'm the Ashen no. Metia, would be only 4 times. Or seen a no my crona me co in Kumanquine and when you want to meet Dibio. I remember her. And I'm Titia the any shade no. And I'm besides oh yabi bibio mana. And I'll say Opelukozid. And I'm CEO. And I'm smart security so I'm told Lukozid mommy. No, but these are AIDS patients, and can global fancy call the buyer. As young they bush and form or major or bush and form when you're AIDS now, young show. And as I come here, be a hospital. I can hear some money. But where does the money go? It ends up in people's pockets. They don't care about anybody living in Ghana. The African politicians don't care about us. They care less. They only care about their pockets. And I got to look at it, my girl. Shall I show you? Moon jam and I'm no phone in from why? My mom by me cover what? I'm not carrying anything, I'm sweating. And I me told look at the man. Ain't me a corner. And I'm here bye bye. We must back at me. No, sister. Me that's it. If I find me by hospital, no one best ram view. This is an AIDS patient. This was an AIDS patient. And I make me cry next one. This was Kolebu Fevers unit. And I make coffee. And I make a train so best my best run. It's me coffee no. 3 days time. And no yebano, me to apple. And I me to Lucozade, me to ni baby. And I me Lucozade ni buy. You see me buy me be do next for no one. And I normally me dem be do ya me so because I are for. Omunya me now for omunya me busia for. I am telling the kind of person I am passionate. Ejuma no se me ya me. Se me nya me nye. I are for na because ram hospital no. Omo nka 8 contract who. They were not part of the contract I signed with AIDS Commission. But nipa hu na ye me mobo. 3 days time. 3 days time. Me kwa sra girl no a wenya AIDS no. Me so look was it. And I me go through her. Me do her and I me call in bed ho. Me hu no bed in this. Me who girl ni bio. I remember her. And I'm a call nurse for the go. And I'm going to be some say. Girl, and I'm a better to any man and away. And I'm a see you. And I'm next one to catch him, said girl, look what's a lip cramming. And I'm a so ma. When you me bussy. That is the kind of heart God gave me. If the someone say, Mitigana na accommodate me. Mitigana na ministry. Mitigana na because driving Uber no. Ni nature no. Nya ko papa e kwan bi so yimi free Ghana de bedu abrochire a. Na ya dum. I am not saying because of my righteousness. But me nim say, me nya me bia maye no. Say girl dey wu kra na. Ni susum di mechi. It is that 8 patients in a Libya because I want to. They have no support from anybody. The 8 patients have no support from the government. Sabi, I'm going to go. Nurse in Sham or Column First Unit. Okay, some years ago, if you are watching me today, because someone catch me. Who's Sister Joyce? I was saying AIDS Commission for and come bring adult diapers. Say the bear as 8 patients in Mugu Hospital now Mugu to a form extra woman. Omuka toilet go mu a sebi. Ni bet me go toilet bed 20 times in a day. And you know, I need AIDS Commission for and Casana or bring adult diapers. Because Global Fund for the almost so eka budget in who be. Global Fund for the AIDS patients na ye jump hona ebucha form metra wo no almost so ka budget ni who be o ton. It is a wo Sister Joyce ya kebi my no bring adult diapers. Na nipa ba ko to ni toilet bed 20 times in a day. Na nurse ya Mugu Hospital me can nurse no ya omu different from omu si ni ama no. Say her machine omu do omu sa omu di ni ama. It's a mudu omu sa de bi omu sorry say omu si toilet de bi omu si toilet sa. Especially from we yamu to me straight sa. Na nurses no mudu omu sa omu di si toilet sa. Yes say busia fon po mfa adult diapers mba. Na AIDS Commission na Global Fund ama musika. Say mo fe bi nye programs. Mo fe bi to adult diapers ema ayarefo a. Na ayarefo amu yare. Na we di omo so sika. We di mi sika. Fine. Ayarefo ni so e. Ene musim ye nipa boni ni. Nti Yakobon 8 yamika. Ene sha those days ni mi kokolebu. Na mi ko so ayarefo na mi fa phone ni mechi o. Me fa phone ndi mechi enko sra obi na makotwa picture na me dia betu Facebook say makwa sra 8 patient. I respect their privacy. Go on my Facebook page. Me birthday biano I donate adult diapers out of my 800 cedis ana e de mame no. Me 800 cedis e de mame only for 1 year. Even after 1 year na still am here donation. Donation no say dem go nyes kana obet me save. Me say this kanga inside the end of the year, me nyet ka kan makoto adult diapers. I'm the common hospitals no. This wasn't my job. This was the job of the AIDS Commission, but they never did it. Mudi sikeli here. Ayaro for this council now is Mudi. Former President Lodina Mahama, former Vice President Jebedi Anono, former First Lady Lodina Mahama. Were you aware that the money the AIDS Commission were receiving, some were allocated for the sick people at the hospitals? Were you aware that some of these monies were allocated for the sick people or you didn't know. Share me back the kind document be at rem. I want to read out some of the money, sir. Ghana Youth Commission for receiving. Now, some documents, maybe we are, I'll post it on my page. Me see henceforth, me your programmer, say me need evidence, me kasa. So, ya ko kasa ma me tipom. Me tino, you correct ba? Me we are me the document, you know. Ebe to me page. This was 8 August 2015. Health with new global fund grants. This document is on the 18th of August 2015, and I read, in a ceremony hosted by the President of Ghana, the government of Ghana, and the Global Fund, today strengthened their partnership by signing new contracts, new grants of $248,000 US. $248,000 US. I read again. Let me start all over. This is a document dated on the 18th of August 2015, and I read, in a ceremony hosted by the President of Ghana, the government of Ghana, and the Global Fund, today strengthened their partnership by signing new grants for $248,000 US. $248,000 US. And this abroad this year got $3 million. I'm not going to be this. I am expecting anybody from Ghana Youth Commission to come out and deny and say they did not pay me only 800 cedis. Mutiam 800 cedis. Out of $248,000, $248,000 million Ghana for. These are monies going into our leaders. $248,000 million. I got 800 cedis and said, "Nah, Muslim in Pabonini." Mean to me and check. Now me save your amount for. And ne obin ko this Africa way. Now move we am catch them say me na me di into me go dem. Oh no. I continue reading. I say, partnership by signing new grants for $248,000 million to substantially increase the number of people receiving prevention, treatment, and care for HIV, tuberculosis, and malaria. Malaria. And Obina Madera Nako Hospital, Kayama drew. Look at our health insurance, Kanako Hospital, Emma withdrew. Now, so, Global Fund of War. Poly $248,000 million. What are you talking about? Our leaders are fucking loaded. What are you talking about? Tinahom, Naya, hey NDC, hey NPP, hey NDC, na come, say come do, a commando, we are with a commando, hey NDC, hey NPP, who are no museo to Nakota. Why? This is the money we are making. What are we talking about? I'm challenging any journalist in Ghana who has the balls. If you got balls, I am challenging you. I will not go to jail. No. I'd rather die than to go to jail. Never. I will continue reading. The music has ended. But I want the music to be at the background slowly. 2 $348,000 million. And yet $1 million, and yet $2 million, and yet $3 million. What are you talking about? I see. The financial resources provided through the Global Fund come from many sources and partners. Represented today at signing event held at the Presidential Palace by the U.S. President, Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief, the UK Department for International Development, France, Germany, Japan, the European Union, Canada, the Netherlands, Denmark, Korea, UNICEF, UNAIDS, and WHO, among others. This amount of money, these are the places they come from. What are you talking about? In this end, Sabronya DC. Aba betina na oye de dia. Say, meaning Crawford Cambo made this car. The guy knows what he's talking about. Minisika. Mima Ghana is commission 24 hours to come and tell the public, say, they didn't pay me 800 cedis for only 1 year. I'm daring you. Come out and say it. I want to read the next document. Executive Director of the Global Fund praised the progress made in Ghana, which was the first country to sign a Global Fund grant in late 2002. Under the Global Fund funding model, Ghana has been allocated a total sum of $300 million. This document, I'm going to post it on my Facebook. I'm going to post this document on my Facebook. This is another money. $300 million. Then innocent people should go to jail? No way. But see, let me read again. Executive Director of the Global Fund praised the progress made in Ghana, which was the first country to sign a Global Fund grant in late 2002. Under the Global Fund funding model, Ghana has been allocated a total sum of $300 million. Movie time was Sikaibia, and Cabrochina was a metina. Sika, I'm going to hear me who posted, I am who billboard no. Minye one tenth grandpa, and can you broach in or some better? I can make some return Obi Chrome. I can say me crow. I can make me back a broach and me secure asylum as a refugee. I came to Hamburg as a refugee. Don't meet me in town. Hamburg for no. Mamu Shango, Gronam, we need to set my bedroom baby. Me by Hamburg as a refugee. Because me mine and me kum whom I mine. Omu you sue me. Edi me hunsika. Esu me ti kose me nkogu. Enti me by Hamburg say me pass it now. Obi said the amount you are inclusive. Please get it right. $248,000 million. Was it how possible? You said how possible? I'm gonna post the document on my Facebook. Was it how possible? Do you know how much money Ghana makes only for the health system? Do you know how much money Africa gets from the Global Fund? And the reason why the Global Fund wanted me to meet Bill Gates was because I'm about Ghana. I'm maybe on AIDS Commission office one. I'm not check it. Maybe a Ghana AIDS Commission for the office one. Global Fund for no one check it. This on me who send me in schools in Krasi. I may try Munya Asa. Yes, say, Una HIV. Yes, say, listen. Yes, say, Pedro, and I say, I am with it. I am with it. Now, Bill Gates, you know, he is part of a mama Sika for HIV, AIDS, and tuberculosis. And no one thing I will get about Tokyo, no. Global Fund for Emma letter say I should be part of that conference because they have heard me speak a number of times. They see the zeal in me when I'm working. And I ask commission for some months here. Say I invite you, or you invite me. And I'm moving with it home. I say, my call aqua could swear HIV 1 year. Me call school go swear 1 year. Me could go workshops go swear 1 year. I'm a tremor. And that means, you know, thousands of people. It's me are bored enough. It's me I could call hospitals. I could check on my status. Musa when you know I'm fit. Mu bia mano can say means, you know. Mu to me call hospitals. I could check my HIV status. Musi and no. Me see me need yare anything no. Me ye ni paboni ni ya. Me see no problem. And penny for no. Ombe kwa so di musika ni sa. Ombe kwa so di musika ni sa. Na senka esa no see this me dey call HIV programs no. Say that form better sa. Uti wa wo hwe me na wa ha we ni no. A wo fin se ma ba be dada o no. Misrel. Mboti nya ko AIDS commission ho. No akwa yi sa adwuma no. Kwana kwa sa adwuma no. Na ko hwe se de tie. People see me and they say, Joyce, you are strong. And I know that I am strong. They me feel money now and I'm still alive. So I will say, is 800 cities, no. And until we share me and we muna win him. Whom you now come on them. Kona kwesa our program nibi. What be sound who say? I didn't know master money buyer for so many years in you know. Almost mean your HIV advert back cry. What be sound who sad na. And I miss Jimmy, the amunya be Ghana da biomo. Me kuko schools in church to sebe educate him, no miss Jimmy no. Me Jimmy na me dear, miss me Jimmy no. Me kwa kwa jisa nkwa siya contract no ba be chairman dear no. Mo se me free so obi baby you. Omu de me bone, ete me video kwa jisi ka edi ye no. Me free so no mo se obi asama be program bioma na. Mu yima no. Se mo se me nipa bone ni. Nti na ma go sua be kire mu nyina mu benefit ye nti no mutumi e ko hospital e ko check mu status no mu se mo mpe nti mu amukwa mu programs. Let me read the second letter. Me kai second letter no. Executive Director of the Global Fund praised the progress made in Ghana, which was the first country to sign a Global Fund grant in late 2002 under the Global Fund funding model. Ghana has been allocated a total sum of $300 million. $300 million. Tinahona NDC MPP. Na unya kwa siya data na bedi di matem. Na ukoto u2 cedis credit na bedi di matem se nyangopo otua meka. Uti Ghana na accommodate on nyangopo otua meka. Ghana hona uti no. 3 square meal a day kra na unya no. Me dia me pena medio. She. Oh, yes for na because from hospital de bia no. Yes for na munye mebusuafo. Na nso me kwa de bia me koto aduane. Etiti show ma no. The brewu. Na so mo sunsun time chi. Omwe wuko. Now so their spirit is ever. So be that yarempa so no bia yinima. Na so man hope obukra na God will still bless you. Forget about the breast. Akubom na Yakupon ehwe. Anya me minufu na tuetu aho no. Judge me however you want to judge me. Judge me. Judge me. But God in heaven, who doesn't judge by appearance, God in heaven, who doesn't judge by the breast, God in heaven, who judges only from the heart, you know, He is the one blessing me. Yes. And He is blessing. And the blessings are coming more and more and more. NDC, $300 million remove the year then. $300 million remove the year then. Almost signing a contract in the year 2002. But in the year, let me continue reading it. So say, Under the Global Funds funding model, Ghana has been allocated a total sum of $300 million for the year 2015 to 2017. Almost signing that contract for $300 million. Some Juma from the year 2015 to 2017. Okay, emu 800 cities na minya for only 1 year. 8 million na minya for only 1 year. Some pobi are attacking one. Go and hold your leaders accountable. If you want to attack somebody, I only came to work. Go and hold your leaders accountable. Let me tell you one thing. Some of you are attacking me. Say, why am I attacking former President John Mahama? Let me give you the reason. When Professor Mills was there, Muslim, I have benefited from his commission. I didn't benefit anything. Don't look at the breast. Look at the heart. The heart is what holds me. Makumano and Nadia Nemenam. No for me, Abrewa. Me you 2 okra me shebi you. Me bo Abrewa. Me you 2 okra baka se die ni. Baka se die ni. You say that e kakra ti mu me shebi. The only time Ghana Youth Commission for me kwa Aburuche was in 2012. Yako Washington DC, America. The only time Ghana Youth Commission for me to come out of Ghana was only once. Ma kwentu ami tutu ye nyina anya Ghana Youth Commission for kwentu individuals and they invite me. Ghana Youth Commission for drink Ghana for who? Ghana Youth Commission for drink Ghana for who? Omo man omugu Youth Commission hono. E map ni for no. Omo nyesika mo dey fight young boys. Ghana Youth Commission for no gu Ghana Youth Commission hono. Omo man no. Ba kukra na ne boyfriend ye ba prayer honey ho. And omo man no so nyesika na mo dey fight young girls. Hold them accountable. Omo wie no matter she suit akesia ba betina TV to say use condom, protect yourself. And we are achieving this, we are achieving nothing. You are achieving nothing. Stop sleeping with the girls. Don't go and sleep with them and come and tell people to use condom when you don't use it. Pentinamento governance. Pentinamento. It's mu use me de programs. Mu use me de documentaries ni na wie ye no. Afe na sikano. Papa na satiba. Sikana nkasa no. Na afe ye pia meto nchen. Na e kofa Lordina Mahama didn't hear Ace Ambassador. Because you see, they can hear contracting. In Guasiajuma, my view, they can hear contract I ever signing. Contract I ever sign up Jim millions. Contract I ever sign up Jim millions. 23 years old fool, 23 years old girl, I own him Yansa. 23 years old Joyce, I own him Yansa. And I'm going Guasiajumano. And I'm Lordina Mahama for signing a contract. No, Sikana by Ina, no one went to. And now Namha. She became the Ace Ambassador. And I became the foolish ambassador. I was a foolish ambassador who worked so hard for my country. Because I loved what I was doing. Mami can't let her negotiate here. Executive Director of the Global Fund praised the progress made in Ghana, which was the first country to sign Global Fund grants in late 2002. And almost signed that contract. Under the Global Funds funding model, Ghana has been allocated a total sum of $300 million for the year 2015 to 2017. Including $24 million for malaria in incentive funding, a research designed to reward high impact and well-performing programs. Ghana is an example of what partnership and joint responsibility can do to defeat these diseases. Don't ask me what I'm doing to the NDC. Mo comment in Grammy and Shana Makai. Mu comment no. Me shempo na makan. Because video na me no. Political parties in kwa na babe gusu no omu didi matem. Me ya mo a aka me so ma me ho. Cry for yourself. Cry your own cry. Cry your own cry, madam. Cry your own cry. And then me posting my passport. Na ma betra na God is punishing me. Uti Ghana say me am isi abroche no. Abroche na me ti ne punishment a. And the papa Yesu. Ma me busa fo nyina metra abroche bi na punishment e dedodo. Punishment e dedodo. Ma me busa fo nyina metra abroche. Musi me God is punishing me. Che, ejuma na maye ni hinaro. Se mo ehu eyi maya. Omo a me show mo yarefo na me show mo amomu wuye no. Omo sunsum di mechi why? If you don't believe in spirit, I do. I believe in spirit. If you don't believe in spirit, I believe in spirit. This is the first segment of the program. The second segment of the program is what women go through in Europe. Nyama emma efemu abrochire. So ba bedu abrochire a. Nyama be no efemu abrochire. Atete, emma dudu asane no bedu abrochire. I'm coming to the second segment of the program. The challenges in Europe. Me de besuka ka na me wini so ye. Ma me kwa hemu mbra.
Oh, baby, you. Machine baby, I'm a to me. Son of them, don't pay, don't pay. Oh, baby, anyway, you come down. And Kaka say, I'm a reminded baby. It's only a cab and me. I'm any pants on our bonnet. Caribbean. Ame, wama anti ayemi. Anapaku kwa bonko krokwa. Ambiye mida wasio. Kasipu wajamina, imoria. Kise nipa yari osanye. Iye, ame, debi, onkwa. Usho mawa kwa kume zo intia. Anyane sutrane kwande.
You want to talk to me?
Yeah.
What is it?
You need little water.
To drink?
Yes, for baby.
Ah, okay. She doesn't really like water, but let me give you small so that I can give it to her.
That is why I'm calling. I'm still calling. Baby, I'm still calling. Wanna grab it. So be mommy, so me, Kawudini. Wanna grab it. DA, won't go on me down. Wanna grab it. So be mommy, so me, Kawudini. Wanna grab it. Oh, baby, you.
You see, I know my mama who's a car, a call HIV programs anymore. Sika Global Fund for Edema Commission. And Moody was sent on the programs. Look at the amount of money I've quoted. And Moody was sent the programs. Program Papa Bang, and you're in Ghana. HIV program Papa Bang. Now I'm coming to the second segment of my show. Hamburg before. Come on, me buy no. I didn't come to look for friends. Now for something I'm back from her. Anything for any money in the year. I'm not gonna want to make to the mini baby tino. It's in a barbaro tree. Some of the past it now. Now so bar a 2.5 brochure at the end of him. The money papa, me name me banner papa and buy, you know. You probably break and be mammy. I'm going to make a court. The money papa no. Me it's a mure fear. Sama mina na why say a sugar bread dey ato ntiom. Na why ni tun seketu no be me video no. The enti ama the reply ni tre say. Ni sister na nya me boni bia. Ni sister na nya me boni bia. Ni sister no enya me boni bia. And say wa be video didi matem kra na. I decided say me mom will reply. And I didn't reply that video. Muka say video mo ka some de make court. Yes, some de make court. Some mu review video na mama wan kire mo.
Me ni picture picture. I was say maybe son say, can I post your picture? But Joyce, Mr. Steven picture now would you able to social media now? You get a big problem. You get a letter from court. You go to court with that, and you know how Germans are. You better more strafing my witch here because one picture now the court one. You didn't tell Mr. Steven, or you near kids one. Anything crowdful so I said Mr. Steven is disappointing. We're breaking the heart. It's not true. Mr. Steven is a family man with family, with children. Responsible, a man who is responsible or tiffy. This girl is blackmailing the man. Why my man now stress the up? So in same corner, then somebody, the church told Mr. Steven, Mr. Steven, you be sir, Mikunu. Hey, say na papa na kanu.
Asem way, be a different young can say me beka ho asem cry bio. Enya asem I was am so about because asem na etwem. Asem na etwem. Omo de make court. I go future and trust share court. Some say. And a court for na German for na video na me ye fa me ba ne papa ho no mo akɔhwɛ video no. And omo hu se papa me ni natem. Nyama mo ko ka kire court no. Na se German for so omo nti tree kra na omo translators. Omo hu se me ba ne papa me ni na wo e be ma. Nti asem aba. Me ko didi natem. Anye bra wo se me didi natem ni nti me didi natem. And a wo lady ya. Wo se kwan bi obefa so papa di me be court no. Wo be ye. And a why ya no ni me court. Musa ntie video ni biom.
Me ni picture picture. I was say maybe son say, can I post your picture? But Joyce, Mr. Steven picture now would you able to social media now? You get a big problem. You get a letter from court. You go to court with that, and you know how Germans are. You better more strafing my witch here because one picture now the court one. You didn't tell Mr. Steven, or you near kids one. Anything crowdful so I said Mr.
Yo. Enti mami, I'm gonna make a court. That was about 2 months ago, was 3 months ago. And I court the asem no. Asem I court ni kan any say. Complain de buy no, e kire say. Me di ni picture court social media. Enti no, court ni instruct me say. Me ko delete papa ni pictures na free social media. Enya no nko a. Videos a man for ye be eke bi ma me nyina no. Me ko delete videos ni na free me page ho. Nti si just o me page a. Videos a man for ye eke bi ma me nyina me ko delete videos ni na from the Facebook page. Ana mo ka share court say. Omo pese me ka o masem o baby a. Omo pese me papa ni din o baby a. Ana me pene so. Na mo pese ka e bia court no. Oh, who said English again? I will speak English, don't worry. The court didn't charge me anything, but me promise the court and say, me if I have a picture me to baby abi. Na say then na who sister we ni who sister Penny. Ni bani papa yire no. Or your mommy Penny mo wait me a woman. As usual, I will not come and insult her. Onya me hwe. Na Madam Melly. Aden na Hamburg ha. Baby obedu bia na wo ka che nkrofo se mu ne me kokot. Asem no a dead issue. Enya asem a wo se akika ho sem bi me yesu so. Nanso wa ya mo bie hu se Hamburg ha mu ne me kokot. When abehia na na won se Joyce de ne kokot na nipa na afrem no we bisam na me nie wu poto. when e be hia me a yesi e do court na Jones into court na wa me ndi we chi ana na mani e wo poto because my promise say me nkam ho asem wo bia ona munene na mo si me ba Hamburg no me ni mema we brain na ba beta senka sebi two brana pesa me boa anka me tira Ghana ho e yesi ejuma no anka me ho kire me no anka me nkonko drive Uber me ho kire me a me sasa me nani na same kai es commission for you so me jai me mo ntua me ka no me drive Uber or Ghana one day be na woman be fa me I be something nya wo ni Joyce na am say ai mama ni kwan revel ye I say all along we thought you are rich and I'm say rich now you see it if I am rich madam will I be driving Uber ma fe no kwan na de ni ase ata is you me see no or share me 20 cedis in addition to the money she paid me fa mama ni Uber no me see no the way I'm driving no they be am kasa dey ba me bia and I put my heart into me driving carefully me who potholes am to me bo me pa passenger and na me car mo na me who potholes am big me drive sir into my mini crash me 20 cedis in addition me ji sa dia me di ma ho odin be ye a menya kakra edi no me ye na abroche asem nye ni nyina na ye ka abroche mu nsem no nye ni nyina na ye ka obi eni ho a otu kwan free ni krom e ba brochire no ode krata e share ni paper mo ba ye obi abe break akra ansa na onya asetena obi eni ho a nipa ne kakra bi pena e bia na busuafo e bi kan benya asetena but apart from that no nipa dudu na no omo be pray asana omo nya asetena nipa dudu se na efi Ghana e ba brochire a omo de krata e ba ye na so me ba ye no sebi nye tutu nti na me ba brochire. My choice of dressing might be bad, but that is my style. You just be ain't me nyape. Na ko bobo Adam and Eve no. Atade kra omo bi anka omo ho. Nye ni pa de decide say be sha atade, e na ye sha atade. Ni dis anka ni pa sha atade e. Adam and Eve no ba mo sha atade. Ze mi fe mu Ghana me di to ticket to kwa ma brochire no. A me be do ya na ga yes and deport me no. Ate say me cry rap oh. Mitumi ye Facebook live. It's na me nia dan phobia okrom ha obi aka me ho nsem. Mitumi connect party crime in shebi. Am the ye videos. Because am feel say me ye video na. Nipa ba be hwe. Na the more nipa ne hwe na ye me dey. But nyame chade the sad situation na me go mu. It didn't continue. My choice of dressing is my style. It's my choice, and you can't do anything about it. If it's all shame me dress, and you are judging me. Say me bad broaching, me man I'm not ready die. I'm sorry, dear. I'm sorry. I am too emotional to sleep with somebody I don't love. I am broaching. So when you do my crana, kakra band be ma over to Janet in Embo. I feel when I'm Michelle Rabona Sio. I feel when I'm be my papa. Na say two ejuma or abrochire. Never. Na me bani papa ni yire. Only me nam Hamburg. Madam. Opa me no kunu masem baye no. Nkrofo send me pictures. Only one man na only me bani papa woni na. O me pictures with my phone. Na only bibi. Dia woni aketu an be ye no. Video no be ye na edigu menim ase edidi matem no. The entire man so ne say wonya me boni bi at me ye say me ye din. Mo de me call court no. Na ka mo every right say me swing mo be call court. Unim the entire. Unu aketu a video no ye no. Unu aketu na why say sugar bread at on su mo ni video no be ye fa me ho no. So we refia, mama bo second one no. In some okeka e no. Na ka me su me o 2 me say me de mo be call court. Aka say mo ne be chi ni tan say chewing gum. So me the mo kokota. I can bet you it time say chewing gum. But me should be beginning and me say it is better to have peace with people than to wage war. Shall some more kind?
Do we no clinky yana? Nigeno, a pia no cohum, or crochet girl no sade. Or say, yeah, why did you insult me on the telephone? Joyce, you are mad.
You said I'm mad.
This shows the madness in you. Say American.
I mean, Bobby.
My apartment, do it no clinky yana. Nigeno, a pia no cohum, or crochet girl no sade. Or say, yeah, why did you insult me on the telephone? Joyce, you are mad. This shows the mad.
Who say I am mad? My fama go court. What's me have a social media? It did matter. Me demo for court, I can move and make you as a catcher because me demo muni pa buy and me didn't at him.
Madness in you. Say American or Obeko Black American fear up. Take care. Take care. You yourself, you told the whole Ghana, the whole world that you are mad. If you are mad, be in your cubicle. Don't trespass.
Oh, is she crying?
Don't trespass. But thank
Kinsley, play with her small. Please, make you not play with them small. And tomorrow, say I mean, me person me press charges against them. I can miss me the Umbeko court. That me yes and yes she. What they make our court now move back court once who my sister? As a Ghana and walk around, I will not even make you my house help. Cry na kono sebi. What me am translate the matema nkasa. Na mu dependent ba court ni kwan ma mu rada ni mu. Na mpaboa me shede ba court no. Na mo be sire me a chuchuchuchu na mo sorry ko fie. Ni nyina ma nkasa. Madam, me ba ne papa yere. Obi ka kire me, she nipa 1 2 3 4 5. Nipa 1 2 3 4 5. And I got Jamie number, me nipa mama me number. A friend me. O pictures a gumi phone no. Say me kase me dibe gumu enu asia. But that is not my style. Unya me bone. But the fact is that court, ama me order. The fact is I have low battery. The fact is that court ama me order. Say ma me nya mu video. Ma mu fa mu information bia meto abontin. Na ma respect court order no. I don't think I respect the same order. Na mu de me nam Hamburg. E kika chi obi asa mu de me court. Say some person obi asa say court ne bo a obi abete. I think I have low battery. Low battery. To be hard. Na se mu de me court na court ama order say mami fa mu bu bia metu publica. I don't think I be say we asa fa na nyina ho sa mu de me court. Court say anytime bia ma be ka mu ho asem bia metu 200 euro. Enti me yasa me nka mu ho asem bia. Madam, nipa 1 2 3 4 5. Me ba ni papa ayire. Mo se den. Me ba Hamburg am ni me ma bebre adida. She. E me bia me share omo no omo nsem omo kan ye. Woman bia me call an interview. Also ni me ma say 100. Oba krom ha. No so o person onyim no nya krata. Nipa da pro 100 ni na da mo ntimi anyim. Me ba krom ha nipa 2 or 3 people me no madan ni nipa ban am hu bi da. Eni ni ade abro kire mu ba mo anya bi da. Hamburg ha. E ma dudu agu ha no. Nipa dudu sen na mo ni omo dan ansa mo nya krata mo kan kire me. Me ba krom ma mema afre me. Ni charge phone ni kakra na asemo ya ba phone ni ma. Me after this program no. I'm never going to comment on this issue again. Let me just charge the phone a little and continue until I finish. Me we pen one no. Me we pen one no. Me ba na papa yere. Obi aba abrochire no. Oba struggle kakra. Ansa na onya asetena. Me bo a. Entertainment industry. Me ba Hamburger 2017. Me ba Hamburger 2017. And I'm sanko back to Ghana. There me di many who yen anya me fe. Ni be seek asylum me koda refugee camp. Sa organization e fe no Agna na e wokrom ha no. Agna. Emmanuel Edano. Who's Emmanuel? And now you say we have math. But there you don't fear Ghanaians, eh? Muko ya 7 kwasi ade na muko di mu kwasi akokonsa na. Nipa na mu no mu di kokonsa na o ma asa afre na aka kire me. Why? Usi menyati no obi ambe mi. Muko di mu kwasi akokonsa na. O ma mu ni o mu di kokonsa no. O mo ana afre me ka kire me. Fear Ghanaians and live long. Fear Ghanaians and live long. Agna for ya. We a program. Musi na Kente Festival. Kente Festival. Iti me mesa. Me boa. Na 2017 me besa e. Na wa damn tall. Ima. Me no we a program. Me betra anga so we rape me because me an adult. Also better me €100. Entertainment industry who challenges na me di bre me. Entertainment industry. Nye Ghana phone kwa na nkrofo bre. Ana me besa ma wo. Ima adiasa. Program ni ewie. Famisika ma me na me nkofia. Wo de ne try me. Sa na humra chi. Ana odi mechi. Pam fa taxi. Etina taxi ni mu edi mechi ya kofi. Uya ya so no me beda mampene. Sha me chantro. Se fa na oni me dai. Oni me dai ma ho sepel. Ima. Musi me mie ni pa boni ni wo Hamburger. Nti grafo hu mo ndwane. Me ni pa boni se me ni bae no. Mo na mo so so. Mu kru no mo ni mu brothers no mo. E frame me video calls. Na mo fi say dey be na me roro me ho sanity no. Me ni me mada on. Say mo frame me fi mu no. Who Emmanuel? You slept with me? Nima. Obi ni ojim, obi any wo ye adwuma. Woni ne pani dance we tua ne ka me boa. What me frame say me bra wo office wo. That was our Agna office wo. You know what we did on the table? Chef. Me pass some jail. But I know me call dirty. If you want to play dirty with me, me no be grew or gutter. Me did what them. Oh mama no. Me need say they did that them. That's what come make cow. Mo come your Hamburger make come. Then I'm paji of your Hamburger. I have decided to be happy. No fighting. Emmanuel Kente Festival. Mo amode mo mako ho no. Oni mo be dance na oni my program. Mo office wo no. Agna office wo no. Table ni so ni ma spam sin ko a de table ni so. Ni ma uso no oni me be o Hamburger. Ka tro mo se nkrofo no be didi o office wa. Ya omo ru table ni so. Na ya say be bia. Never in your life. Never, you Emmanuel. I liked you. You didn't rape me, no. I liked you. So me mpe was maka me no onye. Ya say table ni so nyina. Nti omo be didi omo pipa so yi. Never in your life insult me again. If you are a man watching me, uni obaye bibi vie na ompe na. Oh, manenko. Cool. Never insult her. Oba ni na ye bibi da. So oba ni di watema. Enkodi ni ungo konsa. Enkodi di natem. Enkodi ni nipa natem. These are the men I have something to do with. The second one I have my baby with. I don't prostitute. I don't sell my body. And I'm about Hamburg. I'm in my baby. Remember, do saying, or Bema so ni me ada with Chiamecano. Me then so mpia bonti no meka. Mo cause am free from me nano. My imagine say, who your bar is normal. Mama na kana sin bi say. So who your bar? Na so hu ofa. Obi a pepe so no better. It is up to you. to choose who you want to do it with. No bia keke. Into the fact is say Joyce who afe. Joyce mami for a video call. Me nye. Kukru ni jaya Hamburg for. Kika so be jai. Ye man do Kente festival. Me ma Hamburg for nyinati. Uko come once mo baby abium. Ya be ye hu on social media. I warned you. The last time you invited me for a meeting in your office. You be a meeting, no? What do me see who come so about dropping me? What do me prepare so kind of musa? They be I want to touch my breast. They be I want to drink breast. They are you a baby? They be I want to drink breast. You ma a baby. What is that me do be I want to know? Ubuefu. And I only now can't say my enye. So only mean that. Kona ko fashion up ni nkosia. Say baby a utebo ni so a. Kona ko bodua. I hate nonsense. Who no be ye bibi na on penny biuma. And I no be ye bibi. Na say nipa ni say on ye biuma. Let the person go in peace. Upon all this, still no. I tell you that I like you. I like you for a certain reason. I don't hate you. I like you for one reason. Now, who thinks I don't know what kind of level you think you have. I don't know what kind of level you think you have. When you're going and I wouldn't concern. And I wouldn't you have the guts to call me on my phone and to insult me. Me no be akọda ntin, me no be akọwo ntin, wo be di matem. Na dey abo me ma wo ana. Na me no kasa bokon so I say, I have forgotten the was stop stalking me. Me stalking you. I was trying to be nice. I'm telling you, next time. So people broche na oni asitena na ho chire na. Na so obesa wo program asia. Enforcing ni ne nkoda. Wo di mechi sa me pa me kofie. Wo so be no mnofo. Me na me force ba na force me. Mo wia mo no be dey wia na mo ko hika kwasi asema cheche mo yere no mo. You finish and you go and say nonsense about me. Never ever try it again. And I'm sorry, Anna. Dress decently. Nobody wants to marry you. Me bani papa yireno. Wo kra se awaro. Me bani papa ne yireno. Wo ni nam Hamburg da wo kika mo sense na mo de me kokos. In confess send mo pictures. Me see ehun hia me. Wo ba mma no omo nya me hwe. Mo mane nya me hwe na me de on pictures about to social media. Anyone can say pictures I don't my phone so no. Na me say won nya me boni bia me po na wo say me ba ofi na me be pa o chew. Nti won nya say me do ba to social media. I still respected you. No ma muti krom ha de da mpanifo no. Ah mo nim say sebe ma adwuma na obeye ya. And now you think you have you say when nya nti we did matter. Anya if commission fon kwase ade o mo yanka brochire me metina brochire. Nye sisi mo Ghana ka brochire hanya masetena. Ahanya me masetena, abrochire nye me masetena. And I need mama is prostitute me. Shiakai. The way me feelings here no, me feelings sorry ah. Me no one me ma fa hu ka me da. Ana me panika chem fa odi akasa dey from mele. Nipa 5. Yes, so your prostitution on Hanover. Mele. Somebody me call court, no soon can tomorrow. Open to come. We ma dey defend to kwa. Money me call court man order. Microphone me can say me be ma me nyina, me san plan be di on my on Facebook because I wanted peace all because of Bella. Che, me ni so na show. Never shall I be a sex worker in my life. Na me can nane nansa. Dia me can be the sex worker, I can be the taxi driver. Go on my Facebook page. You see the kind of lady I am. Who pay a prostitution mele? Me bani papa yire no pay a prostitution on Hanover any one other place cry ye bu botchrem. Sans na udi sha ukunu. Who crampo na we prostitute no. Old prostitute crampo no. Ukunu do sa. Obema do ba en fa no hu se de otie. Me bani papa no odo sa no matter what prostitution why. Obi e ka so be a prostitute. Obi otimi ni mama be 10 eda in a day. Calculate it a week on the person another. In a year, Mele, Uni ni pa be 1,000 se 2,000 ada o. Uni ni pa be 20,000 se 100,000 ada o. Madam Mele, me ba no, me ni me ma 2 or 3 na ada o. And I'm the who you. Me no one our price. Who crampo who crudo? Who crampo no? Who cru say? No matter prostitution why you no. Still order still I know what it. On can't that's so be jaw. Nti hwe na wan koka obebi abiom. So person obi ehun someone me kokota. Sisi an obi ate. E na obi obi hwe ni bia na o kan chem. Sisi an makasa ewie. Makasa ewie. Never try it again. Kukukuku ni jaya on. E o Hamburg ha. Ikai kan so be jaya. Mi ba Hamburg ka mi nyo obi abone o. Mi nyo obi abone. Ona mo se say. Dewi ameti no obi anware me. Who told you? Hey, so me person me worry na year meet me worry. All I have to say is to say yes. Do you know how many men are on my case? Huh? If I want to marry right now, now I'm gonna come omunye mema me kan brofo a mo fi enya to kai am brofo na me kan enya to kai am brofo na me kan o. Me kan mema mo yo moduma papa bi. Na me no mabrabo no. Me mpo be me dia property o. Enyo be ma me property ntina me ba do che me pesa me amedjuma na me nya misika. I want to be in charge of my own life. It me ko ye prostitution de biarada. E na me ma no. Se me ka se next week ye an obi nware me a. Ne nipa phone so na be ware me. Me na mempe. If you're not my type of person, even if you are Prince of England, now unye dia me pa. Me bia me na mo ma na me ada. It's never again. Auntie Mele, when the sister na wise brother ato nsiom, never again try me again. Se mo shi obia, na mo kan ho asem bia me ko me kan ho asem da otulene. Anya calls and go for frɛ me. And I yes I do kokko, yes I do kokko. Aden. Mo start last month. I tried to warn Steven about that. Me sending the message, sir. Never try it again. Never. Anya right in post or babe friend and yonko ba se tutu ni. Anya right in post or babe friend and yonko ba sa shawo. But I shawo juma na make no. Dia me de be a shawo na kam de be drive for Ghana. Oh, dia obeye no Hanover. A shawo ni be ni obeka se mama oni o mada na 2,000, ne be 2,000. Misi onu, me no phone me yiye go ho. Aya me fenti na ndi go ho no. We me nya 40-50 plus, I bet tie go say, enye fe bio. Enti me I share me dress ho, enfa judge me. Even if you judge me, I care less. I do not care because I know the kind of life I live. The kind of life I'm living. Emmanuel Kente Festival, the last one in here. The last one in here. Never insult me on my phone again. Tell me no be akowunti no. Na say we say me no kasa you are stalking me. Me stalk you. Me man one say jai nkwase ade na o say me stalk you. Program tantaya mo ya me be say we am woni me anda untu ya meka do. And it's never going to happen again. Never again try it. Ghana for na ebi na mo share me Hamburg. Mo ya ma medidi mo asem ebe pa cho. Mamu nye sa ade ni biom. Stop gossiping about me. Munja me hu sem na girl ni nye nkwa no girl ni nye nkwa no munja. Mumu bebre mu di nkra mu timi spell. Mumu bebre amugo Hamburg ha. Mumu bi. Mu di nkra mu timi spell se mene mu a. Me minimadi o. Me ma me. O si ami bai umi be oni bibia kra na. You had head minimadi. Mumu bebre mu timi spell mu di minimu a. Anka week bia no say fra adwoa. A week bia fa sua ade ba ko. Sua AJOA. At least within a week, you know. Ubetimi a throw udin. You don't even know how to spell your name. Na mo hu me na girl ni girl no. Den na mo pa jom ho Hamburg ha. Den pa na mo pa jom mo kru no mo efrefre me no. Mo kru mo efrefre me na. Sa nkwasia comment na ibu betro say na men are not afraid. Nkwasiafo. Men are not afraid of what? Anya mo na maye bibi. Esi no ebe kum oga na ho saa. Some Jimmy and them would be an men are not afraid. Who told you men are afraid of me? When I catch them, say men must rule me. Wo ba na ho no bi anso pa wo ye fun. E dey me dress na me pia me nya kra na nyeten. Hello, hi, smiling and all that. I don't mind anybody. That is not why I came to Hamburg. Was remember so me jata. Those of you in Hamburg, please stop it. Munjai. Masa me di baby ye. Me mpa se metsi obi. Dia me wa aka ne se mo ya na mo hia me okromu a. Na mo hwe me di, e mo nka se. Mo ko kika me hu sem ni wia. Sisi a me the figures in haba. Es commission go si komudi ye no. Me wie program me mo ba late me end the show na. Obetimi akwa hwe. Obetimi akwa hwe later. Me ndi obi asika. Na me nkodan kwase prison bia nso. Ndi se mo fese bia e na akwa ko disika organ we dwana be che Hamburg. Mi me dwana be che Hamburg. Mi me dwane. E na me dey atu ono. Me the figures na to abronye dis no. Onko, no kwa nhwehwe mu. Me ba ne papa yire na oye ashawo ni no. Ono fees on him nyansa. Me na was me bepa ocho because my fumo. I see you as a mother. I never want to talk bad about you. But if you don't want sleeping dogs liar, na me can't try no. Ya be ye hu fi on Hamburg ha. Ya be ye hu fi on Hamburg ha. Wa ya ashawo ni kra okun so odo. Odo udi na chiko baby o fonsa no. One force and ready or do a chico baby. One for I said, ya true mumoja, umumoja, ya chilling in who cramp or the wooden a chip. Never try me again, Hamburg. Never. Mini do at a mo. Mini do at a mo. Now, won't send another catcher one, sir. That's your seven. Oh, Jimmy, who picture the cry, who picture for the sending Bible to social media. So, who's can once and be one. That one I'll wash when who pictures in another to social media. Who pictures no my pictures I send it and your mommy now. Who sent Jimmy? I'll put it on social media. I never wanted to comment about this issue again. Never try it again on me. Emmanuel, never. Emmanuel, never speak bad about me again. Me person I come my own come upon someone who forcing me cry. Who forcing me? But me painting on me here and I come in. Me jam me ban watch a mama bye. Thank you for watching.